Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'm going to look at a couple of utilities that are completely free to download and use, and they will help you carry out some transformations on your plain text. Now both of these are from the team that brings you DevonThink, and they're called WordService and CalcService. They're simple applications that once on your machine will add some entries to the keyboard shortcuts that are available in System Preferences. So let's get them downloaded. Okay, so we're going to download these utilities from the Devon Technologies website here at devontechnologies.com. And to get to them, I'm going to come up to Support, then Download. I'm just going to scroll down to this freeware section. And CalcService is just here, so I'll click. And it's downloaded already. It's a very small file, as is WordService, which is just here again. I'll click, and down it comes. Okay, I'm going to open Finder now. I'll come down to my downloads directory and I can see the two downloaded application files. So I'm just going to drag them both across into the applications directory. And that's all we need to do. Okay, let's close both of these windows now so that we're back to our desktop. And I'm going to invoke my app launcher. Now I use Alfred, although you can of course use Spotlight instead. And I'm going to type in keyboard so that I go straight to the keyboard section in System Preferences. Now in here, I'm going to click on Shortcuts and then Services in this left-hand pane. The different services that you can configure keyboard shortcuts for are split up into sections in this right-hand pane here. So we can see Pictures, Messaging and Development. Well, I want to get to the Text section, so I'm going to scroll down and here it is. And right near the top of this section, I can see the 4 CalcService keyboard shortcuts are available. And then if I scroll down further, we have a lot more WordService ones that we can utilize. So we can convert text into all capitals, we can add dates, remove tabs, remove line endings, attachments. There's so much here. And we're going to cover a handful of these today in this video. And to do that, I'm going to need to have a text document open. So once again, I'll open Alfred and do a search for text edit and press enter. With text edit open here, I'm just going to click New Document. Now I'll put these windows side by side, I think, to make it easier to see what we're doing.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.